Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique. So in this video I'm just going to show how to insert the equation icons or shapes on your Google Docs. So you just need to, for an example, it's going to enter and I'm just going to insert a equation. Just go to the insert option here, then go to the drawing option on drop menu and click on the plus symbol. After clicking the plus symbol, you can see an icon called a shapes. You just click this shape, then you can see a lot of other options like shapes, arrows, callouts and equations. The fourth thing has an equation, so there is a plus, minus, multiplication, division and equal. So you can use this and you can draw the shape here. You can also adjust the shape like this, so and click on save and close. Now you can see equal symbol, so you can place an image here and you can place image here and you can make it as equal, this image equal to this, and you can also resize this and place where that you just want it to place. You can select it. For an example, I just need to select this and you can change the place of the equation. You just easily just go to insert option, drawing option, click on the plus symbol and you can easily insert shapes or arrows to callouts and a lot of the options. So you can try this here and you can use and you can make your equation like this. So if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below if you want more videos about Google Docs on this channel. So we will meet on next video with valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.